Kia ora, colleagues. I thought I would quickly show you the wiki that I created with your help and input on the comments that you made on my questions. If you remember, you recommended that I create a wiki to show the students how a wiki looks in Moodle, and that I also give them a low value task to do on the wiki before they actually start getting marks for it. So for project quality management, most of the students do operations management, where they learn everything they need to know for project quality management as well. But then there's a few students, let's say 10% of the students, that don't do operations management. And so instead of lecturing, what I do is I flip the classroom so that those students that need it can then watch the videos, and then the ones that don't need it just do the exercises that we then do in class next week. Okay, so the presentation that I worked through in the lecture videos is over here, and there's a handy return button for the students. Then each of the sections is broken down. So there is the introduction to quality, there is the lecture video. I've also given them some articles. There's a specific article that I want them to read, and then I even managed to get the quiz integrated into the wiki, or the link for the quiz integrated into the wiki, so that they can go and do this quiz as part of the work that they need to do. Then when I used to lecture this work, okay, so it then kind of leads them through to the next step, because it says now you can move on to project quality. And so there is just a lecture video on this section. And then for the form quality assurance, what I used to do when I used to lecture this part was I would have them research in groups the different tools that we use for perform quality assurance. So this time what I'm going to do is I'm going to spend about 20 minutes in class and get them in groups to do the same research, but then instead of reporting back verbally, actually ask them to add the information in the wiki, and then we can view what's in the wiki in the class. And that kind of gives them that low value task to do, where they play around a little bit with the wiki. Alright, and so you can see that how I intend to use it for them is I'm going to give them comments. So when they've added some work, I will add a comment and tell them, you know, what they should change. What's nice is that there is a history, so you can see who has changed it and how many versions there are. You can even revert back to a previous version. I'm not sure what the map does. So the map gives you all the pages that there are on the wiki in alphabetical order. So you can see I was quite busy on Thursday creating all of the pages. And then any files that you want to attach to the wiki, you have to upload under files, and then in the wiki itself you then put the links to those files. Okay, so I learned all of this just using YouTube and the documents that I shared with you on how to implement a wiki in Moodle. So if any of you are interested, I'm sure that you will come right as I did.